Here at Solar and Sat, we've been working on a brand new Viscount V3 from Tackle Vans in Bundy. It's probably not even a week old, this one. We've installed a 180 watt solar panel. You can see it over there, the black one. We've installed the Satking orbit satellite system. You can see where we've run the wires along the roof, down into a cupboard down here. We'll show you on the inside. But yeah, all UV rated ducting here, all glued down with silicone, everything's sealed up. Got screws through the plate there into a runner. And obviously we've got the panel mounted over there with screws in each corner, glued and completely sealed all under it, where we've tapped into the pre-existing solar wiring already mounted on the van. Today at Solar and Sat, we've installed a 180 watt solar panel with this pre-existing regulator and automatic satellite system, the Satking Orbit. We'll take a picture, take a look inside, and we'll show you what we've done. Basically, this satellite system allows the customer to watch TV wherever he is in Australia. 99% is what it's rated for. You can pull it right in the middle of the desert in Alice Springs, and you can be watching your home and away. So inside here, our installer Adam has made it so you can barely tell we've been in here. If we open up these cupboards here, this is currently where most of his technology is. Adam's added this 15 amp fuse here, which runs the All-Tech decoder and the satellite system off here. So in the event this was blown, all you would have to do is take out this screw here, lift off the lid, and you can see the fuse right there. Moving along, he's actually run all the wires down, so he's come down behind this fake board here, and the wires have all come out, and they've run along here through these, where it all comes to here. This includes the satellite control unit and the VAS box, which plugs into your TV. All the customer has to do is press the on button here, press OK, and within about 2 minutes, that dish would have locked in and he'll be watching his TV. Aside from that, adding his solar in, all Adam's done is tapped up on the roof. He's just tapped into the pre-existing solar wires, so you can't even tell we've been here, but he's actually more than doubled his current solar with this setup.